Hello and welcome to the Azure Copilot The Complete Guide course, another installment in the software architecture series. In this course, we will learn about the new and exciting AI assistant for Azure named Azure Copilot. Copilot is going to change the way we are working with Azure, and it's part of the AI revolution we are in right now. So, why would you want to take this course? Well, there are a few reasons for that. First, as we said, the AI revolution is here and it affects almost everything we are doing and going to do with our computers. And Azure Copilot is part of this revolution. It is fully integrated into the cloud and, as we will see later, it uses its internal engines to bring the most up-to-date information about Azure. It changes the way we work with the cloud. As you will see, you can write requests in plain English and Copilot will do that for you. So, with all this power in our fingertip, it's just natural that we want to use it. And this is what we are going to do on this course. So, this is Azure Copilot, the AI assistant for Azure. And this is what we are going to learn in this course. So, what exactly are we going to cover? Well, we will learn about the foundations of Copilot or how it works. We will see that it is based on ChatGPT and understand how they are working together. We will learn what can be done using Copilot, and it's quite a lot. We will also learn about its limitations, which it's important to be aware of. We of course will talk also about the security implications of using a Copilot and how it uses the role model of Azure to access resources, and so much more. Now, when creating this course, I put a strong emphasis on the practical side of it, and therefore there is a lot of hands-on in it. We are not just going to learn about the theory behind Azure Copilot, but are also going to see the practical sides of it. And that means there is going to be a lot of hands-on work in this course where we will actually work with Azure Copilot and see how to use it when working with Azure. And by the end of this course, you will know what is Azure Copilot, you will understand the basic concepts behind it, you'll be familiar with its underlying architecture, you will know how to work with it to improve your Azure experience, you will be familiar with its limitations, and most importantly, you'll become a much better Azure architect and developer. Now note, there are some prerequisites for this course. So in order to take full advantage of this course, you should have some basic knowledge of Azure. Note that this is not a beginner Azure course, and we are going to work with the Azure portal and some Azure services that I assume you already have experience with. However, you don't have to know anything about AI or ChatGPT. We are going to start from the very beginning when learning about Copilot. You should be open-minded about learning new concepts and paradigms and work with the cloud in a different way than what you are used to. And believe me, your mind is going to be blown. So, who am I? My name is Memi Lavi, a senior software architect and consultant with more than 20 years of experience as an architect. Here is a very partial list of my clients and my diverse technology stack. I'm a certified Azure solution architect and an avid speaker. Great, so let's go.